often described metaphorically as the Kamala Sundari or Orange Blossom Beauty. The song features lively rhythms and traditional instruments, creating a festive and energetic atmosphere. Folk songs like Kamala Sundari Nache are deeply rooted in the cultural heritage of Bangladesh, reflecting the traditions and customs of the region. These songs often accompany traditional dance forms, adding a visual elements to the performance. Such folk songs play a significant role in preserving and promoting the cultural identity of Bangladesh.